Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Amazon two-step verification issues. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, confirm your phone has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off to refresh the network. Then, restart your phone to clear temporary glitches that can block verification codes. Now, open your Messages app and check for new Amazon SMS codes, including the spam or blocked sections. After that, make sure you did not accidentally block Amazon short codes or unknown numbers. Next, verify that your phone number is active and can receive SMS by testing with a friend's message. Then, check your phone's date and time settings and set them to automatic. Now, open the Amazon app and update it to the latest version from your app store. If you use a browser, update the browser and try a different one like Chrome or Firefox. Next, clear the Amazon app cache in your phone settings if you are on Android. If you are on iPhone, offload and reinstall the Amazon app to refresh its data. Now, disable any VPN or proxy because it can trigger verification errors. Next, try logging in from a trusted network and avoid public Wi-Fi during verification. Then, attempt to sign in again and request a new verification code, not an old one. If the code arrives, enter it immediately because codes can expire quickly. If SMS is not arriving, choose the Call Me option to receive an automated voice code. If you use an authenticator app, open it and confirm the time sync is correct. Then, resync the authenticator time setting if your app provides that option. Now, check if you have Amazon backup code saved and use one if available. Next, on the verification screen, select Try Another Way to see all recovery options. Then, confirm you are signing in to the correct Amazon region site for your account. Now, reset your Amazon password if you suspect repeated failures are locking the login. Next, wait a few minutes if you requested many codes, because Amazon may rate limit attempts. Then, try the process on a different device to rule out a device-specific issue. If you recently changed your phone number, update it in your Amazon account security settings. If you cannot access settings, use Amazon Account Recovery and follow the identity prompts carefully. Next, contact Amazon customer service and request help disabling or resetting two-step verification. Finally, once you regain access, set up two-step verification again and store backup codes safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.